As most of you are probably aware of, I haven't uploaded in over 1 month, and the reason for that is because I was dealing with a lot of things. It's been over 1 month and a week since I last uploaded a YouTube video, and I decided to take a break. I was honestly just super burnt out. I was dealing with school finals. I recently got a new job, which takes up a lot more time of the day, and I was also dealing with personal things that I had to take care of before I started making videos again. The thing with YouTube, it's a great hobby. I love making videos, but at the same time, if I don't take care of myself first, then it's definitely going to show in my videos and the lack of quality. And I just didn't have the energy to make videos. I just needed time off and time to recover and recharge my battery. Now, the bad thing about taking a break from my YouTube channel is that I definitely paid the price. My performance analytics have definitely gone down with my views, subscribers, comments, things like that. Now I have to go back there and try to fix it and try to get the views up again like how they once were. I don't mean to say this in a cringy way or anything, but I'm just trying to be as real as I can possibly be. People were right about how being a YouTuber is an emotional roller coaster because you have your high and low points. There's going to be months where your channel spikes and the views are insane, while at other times, like right now for my channel, it's the complete opposite. If you plan on making YouTube videos, I highly advise for you to do so because it's super fun making them. Creating value and interacting with others is probably my favorite part about this whole YouTube journey. Now, this applies to anything and anyone, but just know that there will be times where you feel discouraged, unmotivated, and feeling a bit burnt out, but this is normal. This is a normal feeling. Now, the way you fight this is by resting and writing new material down to help you stay motivated for the future. So I'm going to show you guys my Instagram. My Instagram is the same as my YouTube channel at EddieNuffSaid. And if you're not following me on Instagram, then I feel like you're missing out on a lot, especially on build updates and future projects. But the purpose of this video, I want to show you guys what not uploading for 1 month did to my YouTube channel in terms of performance. So I'm going to show you guys my YouTube analytics through Social Blade. Social Blade is an online platform that shows you real analytics for many things like Instagram, YouTube, things like that. Here's my new subscribers for every single day. I'm averaging around 42 subscribers a day, whereas before it used to be anywhere between 50 to 200 subscribers a day on average. Drop down my video views. Before, I used to get anywhere between 10,000 to 20,000 views per day. Something that I also want to talk to you about is my estimated yearly earnings. So it says here on the upper side of the numbers $10.4 thousand. To make that clear, I do not make that much money from YouTube. It's actually in the lower thousands, but I'm going to be extra transparent for you guys, and I'm going to show you guys my actual analytics from YouTube and how much money I make from YouTube, because I really want to thank you guys for allowing me to do something like this. So funny thing here is even YouTube, the actual YouTube platform, is telling me that my YouTube channel has been slowing down. And I also want to show you guys what it says right here. It says, what's going on? It's okay to take a break. So for the month of May, I've made $235.24 here on YouTube, and I've got 136,000 views, which is actually not that bad for not uploading. So my first month was actually the best month here on my YouTube channel, and let me show you. So the first month was actually the greatest month for me. So January 1st to January 31st, I made $1,299.67. And this was the time when I uploaded my CHP video. For the month of March, it was also pretty good. I think it was $319.98. And some days I was getting 60,000 views per day. And then I think this was around the time when I uploaded the CHP video, because that's when the channel, I feel like it took off ever since that video. And then you can see another spike here.